Let's go. Finally at KFC. Jesus Christ, murder. Line check. Alright, it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Look at me. Yeah, man. I ate this, guys. So. Finally get the chicken, as you can see, barbecue Thai spicy wing. We're gonna try it and we're gonna rate it from 1 to 10. Let's go. Let's go. Finally get our KFC chicken in Jamaica. Now we're gonna try it and rate it 1 to 10. First things first, we got to get the barbecue Thai. All right, let's go. Almighty God. Jesus is mine. What? 11 out of 10. 11 out of 10. Them never disappoint me. Come on. Guys, that was so good. Alright, now let's do the spicy wing. Let's go. It's alright, but you know. Wow. Fries. Uncle man. Love it. KFC Jamaica. It's the best. I'm not asking.